definitely recommend that you get yourself a journal or a sketchbook, especially something around this size, around A5. It's good to get yourself one that binds in the middle. As you can see here, it allows me to draw perspective drawings. With these sketchbooks, you have the option of drawing one large perspective sketch across both pages, or you can just have 2 sketches per page. They're fantastic for sketching on the go. We recommend you to always have a sketchbook with you. You never know when your inspiration is going to strike. You can get these from a lot of different places, stationery shops. This particular one is from Tiger.